Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nazira. In this video, I will present the corrected version of my proposed topic, which is virtual consultation and medication reminder application, which previously titled medication reminder and notification application. So this is the new title that I give. The idea of this purpose system is because there are some patients that are on multiple medications because of their health problems, like having multiple chronic conditions, which is likely to have difficulty to stick to their medication routine. They must have a time where they being forgetful or miss their routine to take medicine on appropriate time. So this is must be risky to the patient's health if this is happen continuously. Therefore, this application is proposed and will mainly be used by the patient that is on multiple medication adherence, where the patient can receive a reminder from the application, which the reminder is set by the medical practitioner. The machine learning will be developed in this application to let it learn and collect data from the schedule routine, which then it will be generate personalized reminder messages. Moreover, more than one user can create a profile where it can be managed separately and will receive a similar reminder and report of the adherence. Furthermore, this application will provide patients to have virtual consultations with panel clinics doctors or other certified doctors. The doctor can also choose the patients they want to consult to remotely monitor a patient's health status and adjust their treatment plan as needed. The first problem is the patient's inattentiveness, which the patients might be unmindful of their medication routine causes inconsistency in medication schedule, which then will affect their health conditions. Second, the difficulty in monitoring the routine. The patient's caregivers or family members might having difficulty to monitor their routine if there is no overview of the medication adherence. Thirdly, the difficulty in attending an appointment. Considering a patient's health are not always in a good conditions, which they always miss their appointment with the doctors. The first proposed solutions of the problem is Reminder, which the machine learning model will collect data from the schedule that is set by the medical practitioner to refine the model about medication habits from time to time, and then multi-users profile, which is more than one user can create profile that contains similar reminder and report, and then generate report, which the report will be generated from schedule history to ease monitoring and tracking. And lastly is the virtual consultation with the panel clinic and certified doctors to ensure the patient's health status. The first objective of this proposed topic is to study the requirements of the application to ensure that it is able to alert and provide virtual consultation for the patients, and then to design and develop virtual consultation and medication reminder application as a mobile-based application that is used by the patient, caregiver, medical practitioner, and doctor, and then to test and evaluate the usability and functionality of the proposed application with the selected user. The scope will be this application is a mobile based application that is specifically designed for patients with multiple chronic conditions. And then second is this application is and then second is this application will generate reminders from the scheduling patterns from the medical practitioner database using a machine learning approach. The third will be this application will allow users to do virtual consultation to seek consultation from the doctors. And then lastly will be reports on medication adherence can be generated to monitor the user's routine. For the project requirement, I will be using Visual Studio Code, MySQL, PHP REST API, GitHub, and XAMPP as the software to develop this application. And then the method or algorithm that I will be using is the machine learning, Python, and also Dart. Meanwhile, the network elements will be Wi-Fi and cellular data. And lastly, for the security elements is authentication to verify the user, and then email verification. That's all from me. Thank you to the evaluators for lending your ears.